Auxito released a new product, and I got it right here. This is their AJ01 jump starter with air compressor, or what Don's Life said, portable emergency roadside companion. And I totally agree. If you own a vehicle, you need this tool. Why? Because it has 4 features: jump starter, power bank, LED emergency light, and an air compressor. I would like to say thank you for Auxito for sending this product. I didn't have partnered with them before launching their off-road lights. And if you follow me on Instagram, I use a lot of their LEDs. Now let's open this and see what's inside. The case it comes with is really nice. It feels really sturdy to protect the product. Opening the case, on this side pocket we have our user manual. The air compressor tube, the nozzle and the needle for the air compressor, jumper cable, and the charging cable. And on this side we have the jump starter with the air compressor. Now let's take a look at these features more in depth. There's a yellow cover on the side of the unit. This is where you attach the jumper cable. The jumper cable has specific orientation, so you cannot plug it incorrectly. Then you attach the other end with the alligator clips on the battery terminals. It has reverse polarity protection as well. I wanted to test this out, but I just bought a battery 2 years ago. And I don't want to drain the battery just to test it. The wife's car has a new battery just over 4 months ago. So that's definitely a no as well. But I will keep you guys updated whenever I use this feature. It has one USB-A output with a capacity of 1100 milliamp hours or 41 watt hours. It has a 400 lumen LED strip, has 3 modes of a regular light, strobe, and SOS. I always have a flashlight and headlamp in my vehicle, but having a backup flashlight or light that you can place on the side of the road if needed is definitely helpful. In order to use the air compressor, you need to attach the air compressor hose. Hold the power button to turn on the unit. Then it'll show you 4 modes: vehicle, motorcycle, bicycle, and ball. Then you can select your PSI according to the mode. Then press the power button again to activate the air compressor. I know people might be skeptical about this, thinking, why not get the big air compressor like this? Or even this? Yes, they are more powerful than the Auxito air compressor. These are the air compressors I use to air up, and you need to power it by clamping it to the car battery. And there's one instance I preferred to use the Auxito over the 2 air compressors. The wife got a ball from Amazon for our daughter. Took one of the needles for the ball and attached it to the tube. Selected the ball mode, opted with a 5 psi right now, and inflated the ball. I turned it on twice. Until I got a feel on how much I wanted the ball to be inflated. Now let's try to air up with my off-road tires. Air down my tires to around 20 psi. Battery status of the Auxito 80%. Aim for 38 psi and start timer. In reality, I wouldn't use this to air up my tires from 20 psi, but in a pinch, I know it can handle it. I do like the auto stop feature. It took 17 minutes and 29 seconds. Battery status right after 36%. And I did let the unit cool down, then I checked again, it went up to 40%. So, how do I like this product? I like it. I used to have a jump starter, but it didn't have all of these features. It does have LED light, jump starter, and a power bank. But this, having an air compressor, is for sure gonna be handy for emergency purposes. So I'll be keeping this in my 4Runner for sure. Well, thank you for watching. If you like content like this, consider subscribing and hit that like button below. See you next time. Wait. So I was about to finish editing this video and I totally forgot about something. If you want this product or any of the Auxito products, my coupon code is SAGOT4R. That will give you 50% off. Again, that's SAGOT4R. Link will be down below. Any Auxito products on that website, 15% off. Again, thank you for watching.